Welcome to Autos Insight, your trusted source for everything automotive. Today, we're focusing on one of the most important components of your vehicle's air intake system, the MAF sensor, or mass airflow sensor. This sensor plays a key role in ensuring your engine receives the right amount of air for optimal combustion. When it starts to fail, it can lead to several noticeable and serious symptoms that affect your vehicle's performance, efficiency, and drivability. So, let's explore the signs of a bad MAF sensor and what you should watch for. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering your engine and sends that information to the ECU, which then adjusts the fuel injection accordingly. One of the first symptoms you might notice is poor fuel economy. A faulty MAF sensor can send incorrect readings to the ECU, leading to an improper A-fuel mixture. This usually results in the engine running too rich, burning more fuel than necessary. If you're filling up your tank more often without any changes to your driving style, the MAF sensor could be the culprit. Another key symptom is rough idling or stalling. A malfunctioning MAF sensor can cause the engine to receive the wrong amount of fuel at idle, making it run unevenly or even stall completely. You may also experience hesitation or jerking during acceleration. This happens when the sensor fails to adjust fuel delivery properly as you press the gas pedal, resulting in inconsistent power output and an overall sluggish driving experience. That a bad MAF sensor can also cause hard starts or no-start conditions. If the sensor sends inaccurate airflow data to the ECU during ignition, the engine may struggle to start, especially in colder weather. In some cases, the car may crank but not fire up at all. You may also see the check engine light appear on your dashboard. When the ECU detects irregularities in the air intake readings, it will trigger a fault code. A quick scan using an OBD2 scanner can confirm that the issue is related to the MAF sensor. Additionally, a failing MAF sensor can lead to black smoke coming from the exhaust. This is due to excessive fuel being injected into the combustion chamber, which doesn't burn completely and exits through the exhaust pipe. Over time, this can cause damage to your catalytic converter and increase emissions significantly. If you're experiencing a combination of these symptoms, poor fuel economy, engine hesitation, rough idling, or black exhaust smoke, it's wise to have your vehicle checked by a professional. In some cases, cleaning the MAF sensor with a proper cleaner can solve the issue, but if the sensor is damaged, replacement is the best solution. Maintaining a clean air intake system and checking your filters regularly can also help prevent MAF sensor problems. Thanks for watching Autos Insight. Stay tuned for more automotive diagnostics, maintenance tips, and car care guides to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.